So I said I was going to be talking to you about the law of attraction. So let's get a little bit more involved in the law of attraction and the science of what it is behind the words and the feelings. Let's start here. Everything that has matter and that moves around in this universe is made out of atoms, which have protons and electrons, and these are constantly moving within each other. They have to have this balance of positive and negative attraction to keep themselves in motion. To exist, you have to know one with the other. To know light, you have to know dark. To know dark, you have to know light. So we have the negative and positive forces of the atom, which is in everything that we are, everything that makes us up, and it has the duality there. Those positive and negative forces within each individual atom creates a force. It creates its own electromagnetic field, is what it's called. And then after it has this field, this atom can be impacted. And then what happens when that atom is impacted, when you add force, whatever force you're adding to it, whatever matter that has its own electromagnetic field, you're adding that force, and then this agitated electron will start to shake, and it will start to move, and it will start to vibrate at a different resonant frequency than it previously had. This electromagnetic field, constant back and forth between the atoms, has its frequency that it gives off. When you agitate it, or when you add something else to the mix, or when you bring in another like frequency that matches this frequency, it will amplify and it will get bigger. So when you add in your own type of electromagnetic field with your own matter that you're adding into your situation, it's going to amplify and get greater than what it was before. Everything is going to have this pull. Everything works in this electromagnetic field pattern, and it's known that when you put two of the like patterns together, they will amplify, they will take up more space, and it will get bigger and brighter and hotter. And when we talk about how to feel great in terms of this quantum mechanics, what it really means is that we're trying to match the energy of whatever vibration that we want. So let's say something that we want, like a big old pile of money, that's operating at a certain frequency in the world. It makes people feel pretty good. Let's say that that's a pretty high frequency that's resonating. It genuinely is operating at a place of shifting and pulling constant back and forth, that its resonant frequency is, let's just call it here. This is money. Now let's say that your makeup is resonating at a place of not feeling great, and you're not resonating at the place where money makes people feel great in this instance. You're resonating at a different frequency in your makeup, the push and pull within the reflections and the organic makeup of your body, the matter, and then your thoughts and desires and your manifestations of what you're seeing in your reality. This might be resonating at a different frequency. So this might be you, this might be where you are. So in terms of getting what you want, we know that those two frequencies have to be the same so they can blend together, and then they can amplify and get greater. But if we are sitting at this frequency and we're trying to match this one with this one, what's going to happen is that this frequency is either going to have to come down to be closer to this one, and this one is going to have to try and raise up a little bit to be closer to this one. Otherwise, you put these two together and you're going to get ultimate friction. It's not going to work out. So to get what you want, how to feel better, is you have to consistently try and maintain a different rationale, a different type of mindset that leads you to feel happier and feel at least the frequency of what you want. If you're not feeling good, your frequency is here, the universe is going to give you things that are also going to make you not feel good because the frequency is there. That's what blends together. So to get what you want, you have to make your frequency higher. And then once you maintain this consistently high vibration for a long enough time, you will get everything that you want and you will feel great.